Shapes command series. The first is Extrude. Now draw a sketch on this flat face. Select the face. And then enter the sketch environment and draw a simple circle. And finish it. OK. It's very good. Now run the extrude command in ribbon. Extrusion is a method of defining three-dimensional geometry by translating a two-dimensional sketch normal to the sketch plane. OK. First method is depth value. You can write your desired value in this box. Also use the other side icon, and see the new result. Test many different values and try to do it. Also in graphic window, you can move and drag this point. To do it, test this method of extrusion and complete the operation. OK. It's very good. By default, extrusion result is solid. You can change it to surface and see the new extrusion result. This is surface. Test it more and complete the job. Next type is extrude on both side. Select it and then. In graphic window you can see this extrusion method. Test it by different values. Or drag it here. Test it on graphic window. OK. It's very good. Next method is extrude up to next. Select it and then. See the extrusion in graphic window. OK. It's very good. Now change the method to extrude up to last. Or extrude to intersect the all surfaces. Test it and see its result in graphic window. OK. It's very good. Next method is extrude to intersect the selected surface. Select it and then in graphic window. Select the different surfaces. For example, first select this face, and test on other faces and see its results. And the last method of extrusion is extruded to selected surface, edge, vertex, plane and etc. Select a datum plane in graphic window and see the extrusion result. Check it out and see the results. OK. Now look here. By default the extrusion result body is attached to previous 3D body, this icon. You can select the unattached icon to make your body result separately. Try to do it and finish the job. Also here, you can select remove material. As you see, the result is cut extrude and remove the material. Test it more and more in graphic window, and try to do it again and again. This is very important option. To see the result, click on this glasses icon. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. It's very good. Then click on thicken sketch icon, and see the result profile. Zoom into suitable position and change the thickness value in box and see the new results. Also use the change direction of extrusion. Test it more and check it out in graphic window. Try to do it and complete the job. Very good. In placement tab, you can change or edit the sketch and sketch plane. Test it yourself later. Very good. You can active the side 2 for your extrusion. Make it and test the other parameters. This is simple and similar to the side 1 and no need to explain again. Try to do it yourself. And finally in this area, active the add taper check box, and increase your extrusion draft value. Test it by different values. Positive and negative. OK. To extrude a surface, first select it and then run the extrude command, check it to be extrude by surface. Depth value, move this point on graphic window, or write your desired value in this box to do it. Or change it to up to selected surface, and then select this surface in graphic window. OK, it's very good. Rotate the model and you can see the result extruded surface in preview. It's very powerful and important. Or select this datum plane in graphic window. OK, it's very good, and other parameters are repetitious and exactly similar to the extrusion as solid and no need to be explained again. OK, it's very good. To make a cut extrude, first select Sketch, then run the command and set the parameters. Select Remove Material icon and see the result preview. Also you can use the taper option. Do it and complete the job. OK, it's very good.